Breaking news. TD Banks is in deep trouble. Investors are losing faith in Canada's TD Bank, with bearish stock bets against TD soaring by a staggering 45% to $6.1 billion from just 2 weeks ago. But why the sudden pessimism, you ask? Well, traders are questioning the bank's planned takeover of US regional bank First Horizon, and after the collapse of Silicon Valley Bank, investors are skeptical about the deal. Besides, word on the street is that the market believes the First Horizon deal is at risk of closing, and that's not all. TD is also dealing with Canada's weakening housing market and its ties to troubled US lender Charles Schwab. It's clear that TD is in hot water, and its shares were down 0.55% to $61.79. While First Horizon's shares gained 3.01% to $19.15 pre-market trading. The bank is expected to address the deal at its annual general meeting, but will it be able to win back the trust of its investors? Follow for more updates on this developing story. Stay tuned. Let me know what you think in the comments below. Follow for more Forex news and broker exposed update. Wikifx, a global broker regulatory inquiry app. See you soon.